Good noon, all of you. As you all know, we were reading about Indian and international number system. Here you can see Indian number system chart. Here we have three columns, one of units, thousand, lakhs, and now we are introducing the column of the crores. In units column, we have three places, that is units place, tens place, and hundreds place. Then let us come to thousands place, thousand place, and 10,000 place. In the lakhs period, we have lakh and 10 lakh, and in the crore period, we have crores and 10 crores. So, let me read this number first. 7 crores 89 lakh 13,503. Second number is 31 crore 23 lakh 50,826. Now let us come to international number system. International number system, we have three columns. One is of ones, thousands and millions. Now in the ones column we have ones, tens and hundreds place. In the thousands column we have thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s, and in the millions column we have millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. You can see here there is a difference between Indian and international number system place value chart. In Indian we have columns of 3 first and then 2 2 2, column of 2 digits. Now in international number system we have column of 3 digits. Okay, so please take this in mind when we are talking about the international and Indian number system. Okay everyone, while putting the commas in Indian number system we have to put commas first comma after 3 digit, then after 2 digits. Okay, but in international number system we have to put commas first comma after 3 digits starting from the last digit, then again after 3 digits, then again after 3 digits. Okay, moving ahead, we can also have billion and trillion also. So here it is very clear that we have three columns, ones of ones, thousands and millions, and each consists of three places: ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, and you can see there is a difference also in the period of thousand. In international number system it consists of 3 digits, and in Indian number system it consists of 2 digits only. Now you can see more with the examples coming up next. See here, first example, that is 7 crore 32 lakh 54,263. Now you can see here we have first comma is after 3, 6 and 2 starting from the last digits. Okay, so we put first comma after 3 digits, then after every 2 digit. So it is very clear that 7 crores 32 lakh 54,263. Next number is 32 crore 57 lakh 25,324. Third one is 72 crore 57 lakh 25,233. This is very clear that we have the commas after every 2 digit. First comma is after the third digit. This I have explained you in the previous one also. Now let us see some more example. Coming up next with the example 1032 million. Now there are 3 digits in each block. Okay, first block is of the million, second block is of the thousands, and last one is of the ones. Okay, so how we will read this? 132,572,819. Second one, 185,323,251. Third one is 205,008,009. You can see in the last one we have so many zeros. So there you have to consider how to read and which place is having zero. After counting it, then only you have to take a decision how we have to pronounce it. Okay, now coming up with the next examples. These are like, first one, 132,572,819. Second one, 185,323,251. Third one is 205,008,009. I hope this is getting clear to you. What are the examples? Okay, last one is again having zeros. So we have to consider it by the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like that. But this is international number system. We will put ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. That's why we have said 205,008,009. Clear? Now let us comparison of numerals. You can see that I have made the chart likewise once, and then above it is Indian number system and in the below there are international numbers system. You can see ones column is same in both the numbers. Okay, but when it comes to thousands, Indian number system have 2 columns only, while international number system has 3 columns. Similarly, in lakhs, we have 2 columns in Indian number system and there is no column of lakhs in the international number system. Crores again has 2 columns, and in the international number system we have the column of million. Now these comprises of 2 blocks in the Indian number system, and in the international number system we have 3 blocks each. Okay, so it is very clear. Let me read it firstly by international number system. So first, if I will read the first number by international number system, it will be 515,253,632. And if the same number I read by Indian number system, it will be 51 crore 52 lakhs 53,632. Clear? Let us come to second one. By international number system, it will be 725,454,726, and by Indian number system it will be 72 crore 54 lakhs 54,726. For the third example is the same. Firstly, with the international number system, that is 733,254,329. Now by the Indian number system, it will be 733,254,329, and same in Indian number system, what we will call it as 73 crores 32 lakhs 54,329. I hope I am getting clear with the numbers in reading of international and Indian number system. Again I am repeating, it has the periods, ones period same, then in international number system we have the periods of 3 digits, and in Indian number system we have the periods of 2 digits, and ones periods is the same. Let us move ahead. Comparison of number system or number names also. First one is 51 crore 52 lakh 53,632. Same I have to say in international number system, it will be 515,253,632. Next example, 72 crore 54 lakh 54,726. And in international number system, it will be 725,454,726. Third example, 73 crore 32 lakh 54,329, and the next one will be 733,254,329. I hope I am clear with these topics. Thank you.